Downloading images from Media Entourage is super easy. It's actually very intuitive, but why don't we just walk through it really quick. You're going to want to click on Sign In on the top right of the main home page, and then scroll down. And here's where you enter your login information, username, password, and then you'll have a short math question, and that's just to keep you honest that you are not actually a robot. Click Remember Me if you need to, and then we can log in. Now you'll see it takes you right to your account settings page, and from here you can change your email if you need to. Click on Subscriptions. From the Subscriptions page, you can see which membership you currently have. This user has a large image membership, and you can also pause or cancel it from this page. Pausing and canceling do the same thing. You'll stop getting billed for it, but if you pause your subscription, you can always come back to it a few months later. If you cancel it, you just have to enter your financial info again. Without further ado, why don't we jump in and download something. If you have your mouse over the All Categories link, this will show you just everything there is to download. I'm going to click on People so we can check out some people to download. Let's click on, how about this guy right here sitting? Now you'll see there's a few different sizes for this image. Now if you have the large membership, you can get any one you want, but you probably want the large one, and just click away. There we go. This is Internet Explorer, so it's asking me what do I want to do with the file. I'm just going to say I want to save it, of course. So I'll save it, and then bam, as easy as that, it's already downloaded. If you're on an Apple computer, it might be a little bit different for you where the download actually goes, but it should be easy enough for you to find it. From here, why don't we go back and get a few more. I'm going to get this guy here. Back. And I'll get this guy with the bike too. Now if I open my downloads folder, you'll see, there we go. 3 brand new cutouts, and they're ready to go into Photoshop or SketchUp or whatever your software of choice is.